Attach the K-type thermocouple to the PCB. Use the metal alignment tool to align the CM sensor with the centre of the component and the focused IR spot. The IR foot switch activates the top heat so you can focus the lens unit, position and set the size of the heating spot. Put the CM sensor in the holder. Twist the iris to precisely set the heating area. Apply flux. Press run to start the profile. The system will automatically preheat the PCB from underneath and activate the top heat. At the reflow temperature, press the vacuum foot switch and remove the device. Remove the old solder, apply a bead of gel flux and spread evenly across the pads. Place the component and position. Start the profile. The system will automatically reach reflow and stop at the end of the profile. The C3 comes with a large back heater that's incredibly flexible. It can rework small to large PCBs from mobile phones up to laptop and game console size PCBs. Also, the PCB holder is super adjustable so it can hold any shaped PCB.